measuring up this steady rest because we're in it to win it. And this is what I did. I got the parting line of the tailstock here sitting level. Here and here. Then I took and started from a center point here, and then I can bring it over, slide this whole thing over here a little bit. Then I brought the point up to the level here and back over here to make sure it's level, and that's the distance that I have to take out, just about 1 inch, 0.980, and saw a section out of that. But I just kind of use the tailstock quill to center everything, and it sits good on the V here, and it centers it. But I have to make a shim down here to raise that up, and that's the next thing I'm going to do. But then I'm going to saw, I don't know if I had a piece of paper here. There was. Oh, maybe I can get that. I will see. No, I don't know. Yeah, I have that look, and I'll reach under. There it is. Little piece of paper kind of slipped away on me. I kind of dropped that off that parallel, but that didn't fall off. So I'm just going to take a section out about the width of that piece of paper. Just cut a section out, then join it together, and it should be fine. You know, pin it and braze it. So, I don't know. I think it'll be fine. A steady rest doesn't have to be extremely accurate. You know, just pretty good. You know, 32nd of an inch should be good. Should be able to get that much anyway. Now, an interesting thing about the Axelson tailstock is, let me get a flashlight if I can find one here. You can actually, I got a rod in there, let me get that out. You can actually crank the quill out the back because it's got a pinion gear and a rack. You know, isn't that interesting? Then, let me get this here. And here's the end cap and the little knockout pin. Now, isn't that cool? So when you're busy up front, you can take the quill out the back. Just like that. So, yeah, that's gonna work okay. It should be fine. And I thought I'd show that because I think a lot of people in the future are going to be doing this. I've done it a time or two, but usually I find one that's small and make a block to sit it on. So this is going to be a better fit. Okay.